Hey guys, it's Jack here. Hope this video finds you well. Bringing you the latest in our Trade Talk series. You'll have to forgive my voice. I'm feeling a little under the weather, but nevertheless going to record this video for you. This one is for the 29th of September. We're looking at a Euro-Yen long. We like this name. It's relatively neutral from a relative strength perspective. And we can see here that the market's kind of sold off, reached a little gully, consolidated, and we started to trap this gully and move higher. So this was a market that not super trendy, but definitely scope for a reasonably solid reversion higher. Cycling down to the intraday time frame, I picked this level here, this pullback. We got long at 139.53 with a 17 pip stop just below these recent lows. Using our bands technology, I saw a level that I believed would be likely to hold, and thus it did. We got some immediate positive feedback up to about 4.5, 5R. Initially just peeled half, expecting a more solid follow through to the 142 level. This is a weekly VWAP level up here. I then decided to cover the lot, foreseeing a reversion lower to get a full reload. This was a little bit risky, taking off the full exposure when I was envisioning further follow through to the upside, and this strategy did backfire in that the market just continued to rip higher all day. Probably one of the most frustrating feelings in trading, to be honest with you. When you foresee something, you get on it. Obviously, it's great to make profits, got to be grateful for that, but you're leaving a lot on the table that you had foreseen a strong possibility of being able to take. So yeah, definitely lessons to be taken. But equally, we're not going to pick the top and bottom of every market. We're not necessarily going to catch all of every move or even the majority of every move. We're grateful for the 4R that we took on this one. And we move forward again. Won't have a video for Friday's day of trade. We've got some team meetings today, so I wish you a very pleasant weekend, and we will be back next week with more videos. Take care. Thanks for watching.